Sekuqubuke imibuzo mayelana nokuthi ngabe kufanele yini ukuthi imboni yezitimela ibe ngezimele eNingizimu Afrika. Lokho kuza emva kokuthi eminye yemizila yezitimela kanye nenqalazinda yazo yacikelelwa phansi nokwenza kube nzima ukuthutha izinkumbi zabantu abasebenzisa izitimela nsuku zonke. Unobhala jikelele womfelandawonye wezinyunyana zabasebenzi iSAFTU uZwelinze Mavavi uthi ukwenza imboni yezitimela ibe ngezimele akuwona neze umqondo omuhle.
Out of the reach of the ordinary people, because you're now competing with the rest of the other people in the private service. And secondly, that increasing of the cost is going to make it impossible for the poorest of the poor to have access to those services.
Kanti Alex Mashilo we-SACP uthi uhlelo lokuthi imboni yezitimela ibe ngezimele lashicilelwa emqulweni kaMgcini Mafa ngonyaka odlule.
The SACP is strongly opposed to the privatization of our rails, other publicly owned infrastructure and productive assets. We made this clear in our response to a paper first published by the National Treasury without consultation.
Umfelandawonye wezinyunyana omkhulukazi kuleli I-COSATU ithi lolu hlelo alukaze ludingidwe nezinyunyana zabasebenzi futhi abahambisani nalo.
Will remain opposed to any privatization, particularly the one on rail, because we think rail is so fundamental in the economic recovery. We know that rail is used as the best public transport for our members.
Kanti uRhulumente kuze kube manje akakaniki umhlahlandlela ngohlelo lokuvikela ukuchichelelwa phansi kwenqalazinda yezitimela kunjalo lokwebiwa kwamakhebuli. Ngikusamkele Maseko wezindaba ze-SABC eGoli.